everybody, welcome back to Tip Top Tips. Today we're looking at 3 business English terms that sometimes can be quite confusing.
Oh, Tip Top's got the tips.
Okay, so what do I have for you today? They're all terms to do with money and getting money back from a business, but they're also slightly different. The first one we have for you is refund. So with a refund, we can see in the picture here, I go to the shop, I spend some money. I come out of the shop with a t-shirt. I go home, I decide I don't like my t-shirt, and so I take the t-shirt back to the shop, and the shop gives me back my money. This is a refund. I take the product back and I get my money back in exchange. So I pay and then I get it back. It's a refund. Next one, we have rebate. Now, we've all been there. Every month we pay our taxes. We pay taxes, we pay taxes. Lots of money going from January to December to the tax office. But the next year, maybe, if we're lucky, the tax office will give some of that money back to us and we'll be happy. We get a tax rebate. So a rebate is when you've paid for something regularly and you've paid more than you've used or than you needed to pay. Maybe for your electricity, maybe for your health insurance, whatever it is. If you've been paying monthly and it's been too much, and then at the end of the year, the company gives you money back, this is a rebate. Our final term today is reimbursement. So to reimburse, this one is a little more complicated. Let's say my car goes to the car repair shop because I had an accident. First, I pay the car repair shop. Number one, my money goes to them. Then I speak to my insurance company and my insurance company gives the money back to me. They reimburse that money. So it goes into my purse. So the insurance company should pay for this, but I pay first. This might happen with car insurance or with health insurance or with your company. Maybe you go on a business trip, you pay for your dinner. When you come back to work, you give your receipts and they reimburse you for the money. Guys, I hope that's made these 3 terms clear to you. If this video has been useful, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video, and we'll see you next time on Tip Top Tips. Bye-bye!
Oh, tip top, oh, tip top, oh, tip tops, we've got the tips.